Hello, welcome to science class. I am Shipra from ADARSH MANDIR SHANKAR Mount Abu. For class 9, continue our topic tissue. Plant tissue. In the plant tissue, we have already studied about the meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. What is the difference between meristematic and permanent tissue? Meristematic tissues has the power of continuous cell division, while the permanent tissues are differentiated for a particular function. And meristematic tissues are of three types: apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem, while permanent tissues are of two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. What is the difference between simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue? Simple permanent tissues, the cells of simple permanent tissues they are similar in structure, function and origin, while the cells of complex permanent tissues are similar in function and origin, but they are different in structure. So today we will study about the complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue are the two types of tissues present in the plants, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem both are the conductive tissue. The function of xylem is conduction of water and mineral in the plant, and the xylem is made up of four types of elements. These are vessels, tracheids, xylem parenchyma and xylem sclerenchyma. Vessels, tracheids are the tubular cells and they make the water column, but these cells are lignified. The lignin is deposited in the cell, so they are dead. These are the dead cells, and xylem sclerenchyma is also dead due to the deposition of lignin throughout the cell wall. It may be like a stone cell or the fiber, and they provide the rigidity and mechanical strength to the xylem. But only xylem parenchyma is a type of simple parenchyma. You can see here intercellular spaces are present and they are isodiametric or spherical in shape, and in the xylem they provide food because they can do photosynthesis and also they can store the food. So they provides the food for xylem, and the function of xylem is conduction of water and minerals from roots to the other plant or the like shoot. In shoot included leaves, flowers, fruits. So the xylem conducts water and minerals from root. It starts and reaches up to the leaves, and after this the leaves can do the photosynthesis. So this is all about the xylem. The next conductive tissue is the phloem. Phloem is very important because it conducts the food, and food which is made by the leaves by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process occurs in green parts of the plant, and by this process the plant part consume or trap the sunlight and makes the food in the form of glucose, and this glucose is stored as a fruit, and also it goes to all the plants, all the plant parts, like it forms in leaves and through stem it reaches up to the roots. So the conduction in phloem, the conduction of liquid food is always downward, or it also not unidirectional, it also multi-directional flow. But in xylem the flow is unidirectional, always upward flow in the xylem. And in phloem is also made up of four types of elements, that is sheath tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem sclerenchyma. In this only phloem sclerenchyma, it is a dead due to the deposition of lignin, and it provides the rigidity and mechanical strength to the phloem, while phloem parenchyma is a simple parenchymatous tissue which provides the nutrition to the phloem, and these are the sheath tubes, and this is perforated. Perforated means the small pair, this plate, this is known as sheath plates. Okay, so these are known as the sheath tubes or sheath cells, but the nucleus is not present in these cells. So the other cell, these cells are known as companion cells, and they have a large and prominent nucleus, and this nucleus controls the activity of sheath tubes. So what is the function of sheath tubes? Sheath tube conducts liquid food from leaves to the root of plant. So the conduction is downward. So what is the difference between xylem and phloem? The first difference is xylem conducts water and minerals throughout the plant, but phloem conducts liquid food, and the direction of conduction in xylem is always upward and in phloem is always downward. And in xylem, three types of elements are there, which are vessels, tracheids and xylem sclerenchyma, and only one type of element, that is xylem parenchyma, is living element. But in phloem, three types of elements are living, which are sheath tubes, companion cell and phloem parenchyma, and only one type of element, that is phloem sclerenchyma, is dead element. So it is all about the plant tissues. Thank you.